Are you in the wedding and event industry and still spending too much time trying to figure out where to buy your decor, who to trust, and how to present your ideas in a way that actually gets clients to say yes? Or maybe you love planning parties, weddings, and events, but you feel overwhelmed trying to make everything look professional, polished, and high end? Because let's be honest, having talent is one thing, but having the right resource, the right presentation, and the right tools, that's what helps you to stand out. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. Not only am I showing you how to create a mockup table setup using Canva for free, but before we get to that, I want to share something that can truly make your life so much easier in this business. Okay guys, before I show you how to mock up your designs, quick question I want to ask you. Do you ever struggle with where to buy quality decor, who to trust, or how to avoid wasting time and money on the wrong vendors? Because this is a question I get asked all the time. Where do you get your decor from? Who are your vendors? So I created something powerful for you. My A-list vendor directory. This is not just a list. This is a curated guide to 100 plus trusted vendors I personally used, tested, and researched. Inside, you'll find everything you need from wholesale fresh flowers, real flowers, or silk artificial flowers, centerpieces, table linens, charger plates, balloons, chairs and tables, and more. This guide helps you to save time, avoid costly mistakes, and source like a professional. And it's simple to use. Just open the guide, go to the category you need, click the vendor, and start sourcing. That's it. It's easy, simple, and straight to the point. Whether you're just starting out, or already decorating events, or simply just love beautiful event planning and wanted a trusted resource, this guide is a must have. If you've been watching my channel, guys, for some time, then you already know I love sharing resources with you. If you're serious about leveling up your event design, grab my A-list vendor directory in the description box below. You are going to wish you've had this sooner. Now let's get into the video. Hello everyone, I'm so happy to have you guys back. In today's video, I want to show you how to effectively create a mock-up table setup for your decor events to make booking clients easier and faster. And I'm going to show you how to do it step by step using Canva for free. Because as an event planner and decorator, you always have to find ways to evolve in your business. You always want to keep learning, improving, and finding ways to make your services better, especially in the wedding and event industry. Because if you don't have the right tools, the right system, and the right presentation, you can easily get left behind. And one of the best tools you can use today is visual presentation. One of the best ways to book a client is by building trust during your conversation with them. And one of the most effective ways to build trust is to visually show them the vision. Because a lot of clients know they want something beautiful, but they don't always know exactly what they want. They may say, I want something elegant. I want luxury. I want green and gold. I want something classy. But they still may not be able to fully picture it. And that's where you come in. As a decorator, you are the visionary. Your job is to help them bring their ideas to life in a way they can clearly understand. When you show your clients a mock-up, it gives them the clarity, it gives them the confidence, it helps them feel secure with you, and it makes your business look more professional. That visual alone can be the difference maker, too. I'll think about it. And let's go ahead and book. For this specific behind the scene decor setup, this was for a 40th birthday celebration. The client already had her color ideas in mind and had a general direction of what she wanted. So what I did was take what she shared with me and map out how the decor would look visually in the space. And this is the part that is important. The venue was a church space. Now, church spaces can absolutely be transformed beautifully, but without the proper layout and planning, the decor can feel off, too plain, or disconnected. So before bringing everything to life, I wanted to visually see where the tables would go, how the design would flow together, what centerpiece option would work best, how the backdrop would balance the room, and how to make the whole event feel cohesive, elegant, and intentional. That's why mockups matter so much. They help you see the design before the actual event day. Now let me show you one of my favorite free tools to do this. One of my favorite free websites to use is Canva. Canva is a platform where you can create, edit, and design just about anything. And one of the things I love using Canva for is creating mockup setups for clients. Here is a simple, beginner-friendly way to do it. Now, step one, during your initial consultation with your client, give honest advice about what you can provide if they book with you. Always be honest, always keep your word, and always put your client first. Because once trust is built, the rest become easier. At that point, you should already have a basic idea of the direction you're going in. Step 2, you want to gather inspiration. If you're not fully sure how you want the decor to look, go to places like Instagram, Pinterest, even your own past work. Use that presentation to help shape your concept. Of course, always add your own spin and choose what makes sense for your client, your style, and the actual venue. Step 3, choose your decor elements. Now, decide what you're going to use. That includes centerpiece style, flowers, candles, charger plates, linen, chairs, glassware, napkins, cutlery. Be clear on your design direction first. Step 4, take screenshots or photos. Once you know what items you want to use, you either screenshot the pieces online or take photos of your actual inventory. Then upload all of those images into Canva. Step 5, build your mockup in Canva. Now this is where the fun starts, and this is my favorite part. So inside of Canva, create a blank design. The custom size design I would prefer you to do is a portrait size design, custom design. However, for the sake of this video, since this was a video for YouTube, the size that I used was 1920 by 1080. Both design is still great, it's clean, and it'll be easy to present. Then begin adding your item to the design. You can add table images or a background, place your chargers, layer your plates, add napkin, place your glasses, then build your centerpiece in the middle. You can also resize things as needed. You can move things around until it starts feeling balanced and realistic. The step may take a little time in the beginning, and that's okay. The goal is not perfection right away. The goal is to help your client clearly see the vision. Step 6. Create more than one option. For this event, I created two table designs. The first table design was a minimal luxury look. For that one, I wanted to use a gold vase centerpiece with low floor arrangement, votive, and a sleek, elegant style. Now for table 2 and 3, I wanted to be a little bit more candlelit luxury table vibe. So those tables included different height glass taper candle holders with candelabras. I wanted to create a soft candlelit effect, and I also added about 2 to 4 floral mini bud vases. Even though the centerpiece style changed, I kept the same linens, plates, chargers, napkins, cutlery, and champagne flutes so everything would still feel cohesive with the rest of the event. Now, that's another key point, guys. You don't always need every table to be exactly the same. You just need them to feel like they belong together. Step 7. You want to design the full experience. Don't stop at just the tables. For this particular event, I also designed the luxury birthday seating area. I even got with the balloon artist. We came with a beautiful big luxury backdrop with gold metal frames. We also customized the big photo board for the client, and I even created a lounge seating area for the guests. For the client's main seating area, I wanted her table to stand out and feel luxurious but not overdone. I finalized on a high table concept with elevated seating and a polished finish. Then, for the guest lounge area, I added a high end table, small table lamps, and a floral bud vase for the finishing touch. All of that helped me understand how the event would flow visually before the event date. Step 8. You want to send your mockup design to your client early. Once your design is done, you want to download it, you want to save your mockup, and you want to send it to your client at least 2 weeks before the event. That way, they have time to review it, they can request changes if needed, and they can feel confident about the final vision. This creates a stronger client experience and shows real professionalism. And the truth is, guys, this is just one level. There's so many ways you can take this even further. You can use Canva, you can use AI generated ideas, you can use realistic mockups, done for you inspiration boards, and full visually event presentation. There are truly so many levels to this, and I've learned a lot along the way. So if you want me to go deeper into how to create even more advanced mockups and design ideas using Canva and AI, comment below. Show me how to mock up because I would love to make that video for you. At the end of the day, guys, mockups do more than make your work look pretty. They help you communicate better, build trust faster, look more professional, and book clients with more confidence. Always listen to your clients, understand what they want, take a lot of notes, give honest advice, and then bring their vision to life. That's what creates happy clients, that's what builds trust, and that's what keeps people coming back and referring you to others. If you found this video helpful, please make sure you give it a thumbs up, drop your questions below, and share this video with a friend in the wedding and event industry. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos on the core ideas, behind the scene weddings, DIYs, event business tips, and everything party related. Also, don't forget to check the description box below for the items I use in my A-list vendor decor directory so you can start sourcing smarter in your own business. Thank you so much, guys, for staying tuned and watching this video. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.